अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे. सो टुडे टॉपिक इज़ फर्स्ट एड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, introduction to first aid. At any moment, you or someone around you could experience an injury or illness. Use basic first aid. You may be able to stop a minor mishap from getting worse. In the case of serious medical emergency, you may even save a life. That's why it's so important to learn first aid skills. So, next definition of first aid. Definition of first aid: when you provide basic medical care to someone experiencing a sudden injury or illness, it's known as first aid. Now, 3 steps of emergency situations. 3 steps for emergency situations. If you encounter an emergency situation, follow these 3 basic steps. Number 1, check the scene for danger. Look for anything that might be dangerous, like sign of fire or violent people. If your safety is at risk, remove yourself from the area and call for help. If the scene is safe, access the condition to the sick or injured person. Call for medical help if you need it. If you suspect the sick or injured person needs emergency medical care, tell a nearby person to call 911 or the local emergency number. Medical services. If you're alone, make the call yourself. Okay. Number 3, provide care. If you can do safely, remain with the sick or injured person until professional help arrivals. Cover them with a warm blanket, comfort them, and try to keep them calm. If you have basic first aid skills, try to treat any potential life-threatening injuries they have. Okay? Remove yourself from danger if at any point in the situation you think your safety might be at risk.